Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. This is going to be board system test 32 with the Lite MS-5UD fire alarm system. So let's go ahead and get started. First notification appliance on today's system, we have a Simplex 4903-9215 mechanical horn strobe, and this device will be doing continuous. We still have the system sensor CO1224T carbon monoxide detector, nothing has changed with that. If we follow the conduit up, it brings us to a Simplex True Alarm. The model of this detector is 4098-9601. and this is a conventional model which I can use on the system. For our second notification appliance, we have a Simplex 4904-9137 remote strobe, and this device is set on fixed 15 candela. We still have the Lite A980 fire alarm annunciator. The system is normal. If we move down, we still have the system sensor RTS2 key test station. If we move further down, we have two pull stations. On the left, we have a Faraday F1 GT Chevron pull station, and on the right, we have a Simplex 2099-9795. This used to be an addressable model, and I converted it to conventional. Not really up to code, but again, this is just for a demo system. If I didn't remove that module, I'd only be able to use it on an addressable Simplex system. And as you all probably know, I don't have an addressable Simplex panel, so obviously I had to take the monitor module off. And I'm just using it conventional, just wired from the switch. And if we move further down, we still have the system sensor D4120 duct detector. As always, with any mechanical horns or any devices that can only be powered by DC power, I will be cutting the AC power for this test. The reason that I'm going to be doing that is because, again, the devices I'm using should only be used on a Simplex system because they output DC power. This panel unfortunately only outputs FWR power, which is full wave rectified power. So I'm just going to be disconnecting the AC and using the backup batteries. Not really up to code, but again, this is just for a demo system, and that's the only reason that I do it this way. Hopefully at some point I'll be able to buy a Simplex panel and there will no longer be this issue. Alright, to start off today's test, I'm going to go ahead and activate the Simplex T-bar. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. And the alarm is silenced. And since we do have audible silence, strobes will continue to flash on both devices. For our next test today, I'm going to go ahead and activate the smoke detector by just spraying some smoke. So here we go. That should be enough. Should go off any second now. There we go. alarm is silenced, and again the strobes will continue to flash. I will now go ahead and reset this pull station. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and insert my key. I'm going to turn it. See the handle automatically comes back up. There's the inside. Just going to close it back into place, lock it back up. There we go. And now I'm going to go into the main fire alarm control panel. I'm going to hit system reset. For our final activation today, I'm going to pull the Faraday chevron. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. And the alarm is silenced. And again, the strobes will continue to flash because again, we do have audible silence. I will now go ahead and reset the pull station. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to insert my Allen key. I'm going to turn it. As you can see, it automatically comes back up. There's the inside. Just going to close back into place and lock it back up. Just like that. Alright. Now I'm going to go into the main fire alarm control panel. I'm going to hit system reset. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day. And I will see you in the next video.